What's up, friends? This is Tico again, and today I have a box from Warren full of goodies. So I'm gonna open this with you and see what we have here. This is in preparation to the coming up trip that I have in 2 weeks, a week and a half, 1,300 miles, and again here between Arizona and Utah. I'm gonna be visiting some good places, iconic places, and historic places. And the guys Warren sent me some good stuff. I don't think I need this, but it's more dramatic when you have a knife like this. Cheers. Remember that I live in Arizona, and right now summer is starting and it's hot, so we drink lots of water and lots of beer. All right, first thing we have over here is the Epic Haas Fairlane. So we have this baby here. We have shackles, Epic shackles. Oh, these babies are going to be on my bumper. More shackles. So we're gonna open them and see what we have here. So let's start with the Epic Haas Fairlane. This is a 2.5 centimeters, and it says 1 inch here. Well, let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Look what I got. This is gonna be on my rear bumper. I'm gonna replace the one that it came with it, and that shiny one. It's not chrome, obviously, but it looks like chrome and shiny. I don't care for that, but this is epic, like the box says, epic. And of course, inside here I have the necessary bolts, which already have them because obviously I have a winch already installed. Awesome. Thank you. Let's get these babies out there. Holy cow, these are. Okay, the model of this one is just Epic shackle, 3/4 of an inch. Look at this baby here. I love it. This will go right there. And oh yeah, the size is there. I don't know if you can see it there, but 3.25. The W for Warren. 18,000 pounds is what is labeled and marked on the box. 18,000 pounds, which is a little bit over 8,000 kilos. Nice. All right. So I'm assuming that the other one is the same, but we're gonna open it just because we're having fun. Cannot wait to install these babies. Papers. Yep, just like the other one, same thing. So this is what I got today in the mail. I got a very sexy Fairlane and 2 heavy-duty Epic shackles. These babies are going on my car, and as soon as the sun goes down a little bit because it's kind of hot, I'll go out and place them, install them. I'll make a quick video or something, just not to teach you how to do it, but just to have fun and share what I'm doing. That's the whole purpose. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm just sharing what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if there's anything in particular that you would like to see, let me know. So I'm up for anything. All right, peace.